So, hello guys, I am very glad to welcome you back to our channel and to our brand new video. And today, in this specific video, I will explain to you exactly how to work with this strategy. Martingale, how to trade with it and how to make some profit. Let's start with the basic fundamentals. I think we can dive a little into the history. The word itself appeared in the middle of the 18th century, give or take. Somewhere around that time was its very first recorded mention in history, and it was named after a remarkably skilled French card player who regularly beat others at cards using complex mathematical methods. The point was that he simply calculated and counted everything. But let's smoothly move on to the essence. The essence of the strategy is exactly the same. We need to mathematically calculate and structure our trades so that we are always in profit. I understand right now it sounds a bit complicated. So for example, if we place a trade for $100 and it brought us a profit, then we don't place the next one. Otherwise, we either maintain the exact same position size or choose to lower it, or in the event that the trade ends up losing, then we will increase it by 2 or even 3 times. And we keep doing this until we end up in profit. So guys, let's move on to the first trade. I understand it all sounds complicated, so let me do this instead. I'll show you exactly how everything works with a very simple example. And honestly, it's the perfect time for you to start trading right now. As you can see, my account has $5,000 today. Trades are for 1 minute, the Euro USD pair, $300. So let's go ahead and initiate the first trade in an upward direction according to the indicator, just for 1 minute. So yes, and honestly, I understand that many people criticize Martingale and say some quite negative and critical things about it. But guys, you have to understand that everything is individual for everyone. Some people make money with one strategy, others with another, but you also shouldn't forget that no strategy gives you a 100% guarantee, guys. Also, let me remind you that the link to my channel is in the description. Go check it out and subscribe. There's more trading content waiting for you there. You can find my products like the trading bot, one-on-one personal sessions, and basically everything else you might need to succeed. I think so. And also there's a link to my partner, that is to the broker we're trading on today. For me, this is simply the most pleasant broker. It has, I've never had any problems with withdrawals, and there are some special features and functions. So guys, I think you get the idea. So we see that there are 3 seconds left until the end of the trade. It brings us profit, and according to our strategy, to always stay in the black, we should lower the trade amount, so to speak. Now let's try trading with $200, and well, I think this is the perfect time. We can also open a position for an increase. Let's wait for the result, guys. Yes, a lot of people actually talk about this strategy, some only online. You might know yourselves, you've probably seen most of the hate, but guys, honestly, in every strategy, it's also important to keep your emotions in check. I mean, if you realize that today is just a really unlucky day for you, let's say you've lost a lot of money, then guys, it's better to stop. Don't get carried away, don't keep playing, don't dig yourself in deeper and so on, because you'll only lose more. That's just a lack of any kind of strategy. It's your emotions, and for trading, the most important thing is a clear mind, the ability to control your emotions and not be dependent on them. So, guys, yes, that's why even most of those who say that Martingale is such a bad strategy, it's just possible that these are people who trade emotionally, meaning they rely solely on their emotions, and that's it. So, let's move on to the trades. Okay, 3 seconds, and once again, we end up with a profit. Let's open another one upwards for 1 minute, guys. We're keeping the same amount. Why are we keeping the same amount and not lowering it? Because with the total of 3 trades, even if this one loses, we'll still be in profit. Well, as you can clearly see here, basically, and by looking at the balance as well. Yes, I definitely understand that it's much easier in practice, and right now we're seeing these candles going down. You know, guys, that's actually a good thing, because now I'll be able to, if this trade loses, I'll be able to show you exactly what to do in case our trade ends up losing, how to properly cover your losses. So as we can see right now, the candles are continuing to go down, okay? In general, regarding this currency pair lately, we can notice that there were huge upward candles here and then a sharp drop. So guys, well, I think after such a sharp drop, as we can see, overall the currency pair is holding around this position, and some kind of correction will start. And our most important part is somehow making a profit from all of this. So guys, great, there are only 2 seconds left. This is the perfect opportunity for me to show you guys something important. Keep in mind, this is all strictly for the video, meaning Alright, we can see here that we got exactly $0 back from the trade, and now it is the perfect time to demonstrate exactly what to do if our trade doesn't go through as expected. So now we open a trade for $400. That is, with the first trade we cover the loss from the previous one, and with the second we make a profit, guys. So let's see a good bullish candle. 40 seconds. Okay. We are waiting for the result of this trade. But I think even if it doesn't work out for us, that is, if we don't make a profit from it, we will still be able to earn. Right now we see a bearish candle, but it's kind of strange, meaning it's moving up and down. Right now the market doesn't have a clear direction, and overall it's moving very slowly, to be honest. But that's okay, guys. Basically, if you've watched my previous videos, you understand that the market doesn't always play along with our money because it's the market. It doesn't care at all. It's not a person. It has no emotions or anything like that. Okay, right now we can clearly see that you didn't make a profit again, but that's okay, guys. It's all right. Everything is going to be fine. So our last three trades were unprofitable, and in order to make up for that and get back into the plus, we need 2 plus 1, 3. In other words, to cover this, we need to open 4 trades, 4 trades. We are not going to open on the downside just yet, guys, and we will wait for the final result. Excellent. Let's just watch and wait for a moment, okay? As you can clearly see, the currency pair is extremely volatile right now, but that is perfectly fine. There is really nothing to worry about and nothing to be afraid of. Basically, even if these trades lose, that is absolutely normal, guys, because, well, that is just how the market behaves, and that is exactly how trading works. To put it another way, it is simply not possible to always be in profit. If we were always in profit, I think every single person in our winter mamashara would have already become millionaires. Guys, that's it. Excellent candle. Excellent, excellent. Come on, down, down. Good, good, guys. There are only 10 seconds left until the end of these trades, and we can notice that basically we have a very strong and stable position with you, solid and reliable. All right, guys, 1 second, and excellent. We make a profit, just as I said. That is, we covered our losses, came out ahead, and now we're taking our profit. So let me go ahead and open up a couple more trades right now. That is, we're now gradually lowering the specific amount of our trades a bit, let's say to $150. Okay, okay. Let's say we open a down trade, $150 on a decrease, and we wait, we wait. As you can see, there's currently a very strong and consistent momentum trend going on, specifically a downward trend in the chart. Basically, as you can clearly see right here, sometimes there is a minor correction where there are just a few candles going up, but overall that's absolutely normal behavior for the market. I think today I'll probably stop somewhere around $6,000 to $6,500. Because guys, another incredibly important rule in trading is knowing exactly when to stop in time. That means not trading endlessly throughout the day, not thinking to yourself, I made a million trades. No guys, just a few solid trades, you earn a certain amount of profit or maybe lose a little bit, and that's it. You stop, take a deep breath, let go of all your emotions and completely clear your mind. And our minds should always be perfectly clear in this business, guys. Well, just a reminder, if you haven't watched my previous videos, I explained all of this there. Advice for beginners in trading. Go check them out. I'll be waiting for you to watch. Leave a comment and like the video. Also leave your comments on this video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. It would be really interesting to read your opinions about this strategy and to communicate with you about all these points. So great, now we open 2 trades for a decrease and wait for the result. Alright. Well, honestly, right now, the market position is kind of ambiguous, but in principle, I'm already used to it. I've been trading for quite a few years now, and in trading overall. You see, this is nothing new for me at all, and now there are only a mere 30 seconds left. But right now, our trade is in a very strong and profitable winning position, which can't help but make us all feel happy, right guys? Well, of course, that's right. We all love making money, and now there are only 20 seconds left. Let's wait. It's a very, very difficult position to analyze, honestly, and even I can't be completely sure about it right now. But in principle, the chart is now moving into some kind of semi-decline phase as we speak. Come on, please go down. Oh no, the candle is going up, okay? Alright, it's no big deal, just as I said. Now we're opening 4 trades with you. We're opening 4 trades. to cover our losses. So that is looking great. The candle is red and it just needs to keep heading down quite actively. And that's it basically. With that, I'll finish my video so you'll see the profit for yourself. But oh damn, would you look at that? It's a green candle. Okay, looks like we'll be staying here quite a bit longer than expected. So we've lost our last 7 trades, which means now, according to the same Martingale strategy, we need to open 8 trades. As you can clearly see right here, I'm not betting a large portion of my total balance, but rather a very small amount, so I can easily cover my potential losses. So basically, out of my initial $5,000, I'm only betting $150. So I can trade actively without losing my balance too quickly. Perfect. And yes guys, we actually made a nice profit at the very last second. The strategy is definitely making us money, and overall the market is looking fine too. Let's open one more trade for a drop. This will be our final trade for today. So basically I've reached the financial goal I wanted. I earned about $1,000. As you can see for yourselves, I managed to do this in just one video. And in my personal opinion, that is a truly excellent result. The strategy is working very well. So as I said before, you can certainly use this video as a perfect example. You can trade using it too, because guys, basically you can make money with any strategy if you know how to use it. For me, I think Martingale is one of the simplest strategies, and for beginners it's really the best. But guys, it is crucial to remember that you need to control your emotions, keep all your impulses under control, and not let your feelings take over. With this kind of disciplined approach, you can make money and not just lose your capital. So, guys, let's take a closer look at the market right now. 10 seconds. We basically have a stable position. I don't think anything will change in the last 5 seconds. Look at this absolutely perfect red candle. And come on, it's great, guys. That's it. We've made basically a pretty solid amount of money together. Thank you very much for watching. Go to the channel, like, subscribe, and leave your comments. I will definitely reply to all of you. Also, I want to remind you that I have a special trading community. The link to it is in the description of the video and in my channel description. Check it out, subscribe, and I look forward to seeing all of you there. I have a big surprise for you on Telegram, so guys, go check it out. This was Franklin with you. See you next time, and goodbye to everyone.